with 17 seconds to go in this first half of the match.
Stay. Stay. I don't think he's excited.
Hey, hey boy, what's up?
Ready? Go get it. Oh.
Take him to go potty.
Yeah. Mm.
Wow.
What are you doing in there? Get out of there. You're not a cat.
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money and they're really, really worried about it.
Buddy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
Bozy, what do you think? Does that look like you?
Family happened? Look at the, oh, look at that. Oh.
I'll go grab him up. I'm gonna find Nolan before Straight does.
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Why'd you think this shit's funny?
Whisper. Come on, big guy. Come on, big guy. Oh, look at there.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
You wanna go for a walk?
Yummy.
Zuko, can we see your stick? Wow, it's nice.
That is not for sitting. It's not a jacuzzi. Come on out. It sounds like she said no. We brought the dogs with us. High five. Too slow.
Tree? It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't name it your house, right?
I didn't mean to drop it. Honey, no. Honey, no. No, honey, no.
What?
I got you, Sydney.
That one time my Frenchie fell down the stairs.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. Make me. I think I failed.
Not allowed on the bed, you. No! Yeah.
Go to the doctor. Okay. Hug. Get up there. Get up there!
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
How do you feel about this project we got going on, huh? Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Jay, thank you very much.
Get in the box. Yep.
Got a whole bunch of them. Oh, you're so cute.
You like the chinchillas? You gonna be sweet to the chinchilla?
I got me a motherfucking fork.
You bitch!
So you know you're my baby and I love you, but you cannot go turkey hunting with me.
Here, come here. Up. Oh no!
Hello?
Doggy!
You gonna sit over there now?
Oh. Yep.
What? Wait a second. Woo! Eek! Yo!
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet! Oh!
You're adopted.
Look, 2 hands.
Hey, okay.
And 1.
You know that's not yours.
Crikey, knock the golden gate